I want to say 12 red roses, but we know that's not.
And a Lindt chocolate, right?
And a Lindt chocolate. And a Lindt chocolate.
What is the secret to a great apology that actually restores customer confidence in you or your team?
I want to say 12 red roses, but we know that's not.
And a Lindt chocolate, right?
And a Lindt chocolate. And a Lindt chocolate. No, so I think many people are afraid to apologize for a start. They think it's admission of guilt and it's going to lead to some possible financial claim. So a lot of companies do not apologize. Mm-hmm. The magic around an apology is, first of all, being sincere, being honest, and apologizing for something specifically. Okay. I'm so sorry that happened. I'm so sorry that your account is frozen, or that whatever we did wrong. Be specific so that the person knows that you know what's happened, and also attach some emotive part to that, to say, we have inconvenienced you, we have disappointed you, we're not proud of our brand putting you in this tough position. You work empathy and specificity and sincerity into an apology. And let's say you can't fix it immediately, letting the person know, we know you're angry with us, we know you're disappointed, can you please give me time to solve this? And I think if it comes from your heart, and I think it takes more energy when it comes from your heart, but if it's sincere and it's specific and it shows that you want to do something about it, that is the good qualities of an apology. Yeah. I think often the problem is teams that have not been empowered to deal with something like that. I spent some time with the Ritz-Carlton, I spent some time with Zappos, and the one thing that stood out is they're empowered. If something goes wrong on the spot, I'm empowered to say, I'm so sorry you're disappointed. This is what I'm going to do. Not, I'm going to check with my manager and then I'm going to go 3 levels up the hierarchy and I'm going to fill in a form in triplicate and wait for it for 6 weeks to get approval to give you a Lindt chocolate and 12 red roses. Yeah. They know this is what I can do. I've got a little library of how I can make up for this, and whether I give you dessert on the house or whether I have chocolates delivered to your room or whether I give you a silk scarf. Those are just some of the examples of what I experienced at the Ritz-Carlton, and it was fantastic. It disarms someone when you go, oh, you're really sorry. Oh, that's awesome. And then they go, oh, we're going to do this for you because we don't want you to walk away from this being angry with us or being disappointed. They try and change that emotion in the moment. That's how they transform experiences. They don't wait. They don't let it simmer.
Yes.
They don't even give me the opportunity to go and tell someone about this terrible experience I had, because the next thing I'm going to tell them is, this happened and this is what they did and it was freaking awesome. It felt incredible. The damage is done a lot of the time because people don't deal with it immediately. They give the customer so much opportunity to talk to all their friends. Let them go on Facebook and chat to their 1,000 friends. Let them go on Instagram and complain to their 5,000 followers. By that time, if you then recover, then it's too late.
Yes.
Then it hasn't got that impact of, this happened and wow, they gave me chocolate-covered strawberries. So I think that's the important, just empowering people and acting, boom, there, where it happens.
And genuinely apologizing,
Genuine.
right?